Nisha from Love Laugh Merch, and we're partnering with ShopRite in celebration of Diwali. Recently I was at ShopRite and I picked up some of Diwali essentials. I picked up this bowl and basket basmati rice and some ghee for the recipe that we're going to be creating today. Today we're going to be making Zarda. Zarda is a saffron rice. It's made during celebrations. I have fond memories of eating it around festive times, so I'm so excited to share my favorite way to make Zarda. To get started, we're going to go ahead and heat up a pan on medium heat and add some ghee to it. Once the ghee starts melting, we'll go ahead and add in our whole spices. So here I have cinnamon, I have some cardamom pods, and some cloves. Once your whole spices start popping and opening up, we're gonna go ahead and add in our soaked basmati rice. Essential to go ahead and soak your rice just to make sure that when you do go ahead and cook it, it opens up really nicely and it's nice and fluffy. So this is our soaked basmati rice, and we're going to add that to the hot ghee. You want to go ahead and toast this up. All right, once you've toasted up your rice a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add in our dried nuts. So we are adding some almonds, some pistachios, and some beautiful golden raisins. We can go ahead and add in our saffron milk. So I've bloomed some saffron in some hot milk. And you want to go ahead and add in your sugar and some hot water. Once you've mixed everything together, go ahead and cover it and let it cook. Set your timer for 15 minutes. Once your rice has been cooking covered for about 15 minutes, we're going to take off the lid and just give it a nice stir. Add in your cardamom powder and cover it again for another 7 to 8 minutes to let it finish cooking off. Now that you've let that rice cook, we are all done and ready to plate. So I like to go ahead and plate this, and then I'm going to actually add some more pistachios just on top, and you can really garnish it any way that you like. And there you have it, a super simple, traditional, and delicious Zarda or Meete Jabba. Happy Diwali from me and ShopRite, helping you get it together.